Star Wars. I was trying to find the one at Star Wars. I would die.
Nerd alert.
Oh, the stage is up.
Yes. Sorry if it's so dark in here, everybody. This is Jaydog, and I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm with some friends of mine. So we're at the Calico Mine Train. It's meant to be dark.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face.
Oh, sulfur
it ain't
or
exactly
something.
the kind of warm welcome you want.
Sulfur vents, right?
Yeah.
Up over yonder, you can see our lifts and mining cages, the quickest way to reach every level of the mine. And take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir, folks. That's the world-famous Calico Mine Glory Hole, the site of one of the richest gold strikes in all of recorded history.
Harvey, there's fish in here. You see them?
Yeah, I see them.
Now we're heading over an underground lake at the mouth of this here river. When we're not panning for gold flakes here in the water, we're fishing for those little blind fish you see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day.
I appreciate it.
Uh-oh. Kaboom!
Y'all can't be too careful in this here mine.
Yeah, we're getting to 3,000. Type of modern technology makes all this deep earth mining possible.
Watch the birdie! Chirp, chirp! Uh-oh, bats! That was like...
We could have made it. We could have made a carbon squish sandwich.
Sure is dark up here. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling.
Feels like it's gonna eat you. That one's not wet. That's good. That would be bad. I know that. I feel like it wasn't.
Ooh, that guy's got gold!
Old seldom seen Slim's done struck him some gold. Drinks on you, Slim.
Down they go!
tied up in the corner over there. That is a zombie.
Ah, daylight. Here at Knott's Farm.
That's all thanks to light thoughts up on this here trestle bridge. Keep your hands and arms inside the cars now. Ain't falling off this mountain since 1880. Oh, never mind that. Let's just hope she's got one more
Whoop.
train load in her. Up ahead there is a new part of the mine. That means progress. And progress means blasted.
Kaboom!
Look out, folks. We're headed straight into a dynamite party.
Fire in the hole!
It's a little rip, boy.
Fire in the hole!
That was a close one. Looks like we all made it out just in time. Thanks to this here engineer's dynamite driving. Y'all get along now. I got work to do. And if you got any claims to stake down there at the assayer's office, tell them old Polecat Mahoney sent you.
Watch your back again.